Kag sa good vibes, isa ka second-year vet student ang ginkoronahan bilang Kadalag-an Queen sa Victoria City. Kag performance ni Sarah G, ginbantayan sa mga fans. Yari ang report.
Siglak is a word which means rain. If you are crowned as
Ining nangin sabat sang 21 anyos nga si Kyla Rose Romarate sa pamangkot kung paano siya mangin isa ka sidlak sa iyang mga kasimanwa.
Kadalag-an Queen has always been a great platform for women to show confidence in their intelligence. And as a sidlak queen, I would be a ray to inspire others to show the confidence in themselves. As the quote says, power is always within you and energy always speaks louder and than a beautiful dress. And to all the women out there, I encourage you to believe in yourself and to believe that as sidlak as a ray, to have that passion, to have that burn, and to take that one step, no matter how risky it is, for change.
Gani siya man ang ginkoronahan bilang Kadalag-an Queen 2023 kag nahauna man nga sidlak queen sang Victoria City.
It feels I feel very happy because of all of the hard work that I put into in this journey. So it feels really satisfying at the same time with the help of my team as well.
Ang second-year veterinary student sa Aklan State University amuman ang napili bilang Best in Talent, Best in Swimwear, Best in Evening Gown, Miss Photogenic kagaban pa nga mga minor awards sa star-studded coronation night.
Well, ever since I always wanted to join Kadalag-an Queen, and I think it's a great platform for me to have my advocacy and at the same time inspire other women that if I can do it, then they can do it too.
Halos hindi na magbatianay sa Victoria's Coliseum sang nag-perform na si Sarah Geronimo. Nagperforma ng iyabana nga host kag actor nga si Matteo Gudicelli.
But the colors fade away and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, you still be beautiful.
Upod sa mga celebrity host nga sanday Marco Gumabaw, kag 2020 Miss Universe Philippines 4th runner-up Billy Hackinson, ang celebrity judges nga sanday Kylie Versosa, kag Daniel Matsunaga. Kabahin man sang panel of judges sanday Mickey Andre, Rene Henoales, kag Bacolod City First Lady Dominic Benitez.
Let us remember that beauty is more than just skin deep. True beauty radiates from within, and it is the embodiment of the values that we hold dear as a community. Kindness, generosity, and empathy.
First runner-up si Cassandra Murin Katugas, kag second runner-up naman si Pauline Isabel Guanzon. Nangin bisita man sanday Negros Occidental Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson, 3rd District Congressman Francisco Kiko Benitez, kaupod ang mga alkalde sang nagkalain-lain nga banwa kag syudad, pati na mga local officials sang Victorias.